Hi everyone! In today's video, we are going to show you our first impression with these pricey cucumbers found in Costco. They're in a 1 pound bag, product of Canada, and the price was $54. So let's see what's inside. Inside of the bag, there are around 20 to 30 of these dry sea cucumbers at a size of maybe your thumb. So sea cucumbers are actually highly regarded for its nutritional values in East Asia, especially in China. But with all the health claims aside, they're very delicious seafood. So in today's video, what you're going to see is first how we prepare these sea cucumbers according to the instructions on the back of the bag. And we're also going to try a few different recipes with these sea cucumbers. So let's start. So here we are. These sea cucumbers have been soaked another overnight after we boil them. And then let's take a look. It feels really good in hand. Feels meaty, firm, squishy. And yet at the same time, by squeezing them, I feel that they are fully soaked, but let's find out. First, let's dump out all the remaining water inside the cavity. All right, so now let's try to clean the sea cucumbers. So from the reading, it says there is certain parts in the sea cucumber that is not edible. Let's open the smallest one up and see if there's anything. Actually, the inside of the sea cucumber seems quite clean, and those linings, the several little lines, it was regarded the most nutritional part and suggested not to move them away. It's really clean. I don't see any need to even rinse it, but let me just give it a quick rinse. All right, so let's take a look at the second one, the big one. So let me touch it again. The whole thing feels soft except for this little part. So I'm going to cut here and find out more about it. Okay. All right. There are, not sure if you can see. There are some things. Some things attached to the lining, but it feels it's a body part that's connected to it, and it's not something dirty, so I'll just leave them. And this little part, I don't know what it is since it's detached. I'm just gonna dump it. And nope, there's no so-called teeth near the head. And this part where I mentioned that's the most firm part. It's pretty squishy, good elasticity. So I'll consider it done as well. Okay, 2 more to go. Okay, this one feels soft and elastic throughout the whole body, so I'll just cut the shortest path. Okay, so with the experience accumulated from the previous big one, I'm just less concerned about the structure that's attached to the lining, and dump out the additional unattached thingy, and then give it a quick rinse. And then the last one. Clean and no excessive parts that need to be dumped. Awesome. So now they're fully dissected, and there's really nothing that has tossed away. So I would say it'll retain the weight. And then let's put it back to clean water. Okay, and put it back in the fridge. And after this step, it's suggested that these can be put into the fridge for up to 48 hours that you can enjoy and cook them. Don't keep them too long, otherwise just freeze them and keep it in the freezer for up to 30 days. So that's it for now. Let's finish up the cutting. It's seafood, of course, it attracts cats, which is okay. All right, so we have these. One of the easiest way to include sea cucumbers in your cooking is to incorporate into chicken soups. Here I have a pot of chicken soup that I have cooked since last night, over 12 hours. I'm just going to transfer a single serving portion and then incorporate the sea cucumbers. Let's turn off the heat and check the soup. Okay, let's pick up a piece of the sea cucumber. It's quite a big piece. It's bouncy, so let's give it a taste. It has a good balance of chewiness from the inside and softness from the outside. It's pretty tasty. So this is for this chicken soup with sea cucumber. Add a pinch of salt for your taste and enjoy.